my panties.
Can you
The Trump administration is going to interfere.
Oh my God, no!
Hey.
プールサイドで日光浴をする老夫婦。そんなのどかな雰囲気ならよかった。ここは周囲からも見える場所なんだが、ジジイは泥酔状態でババアとイチャイチャ。ババアは下半身を一般公開中。60歳と68歳のジジババが見せつけるグロ動画。見なきゃよかったっていう感想が多いだろうから、ブラウザバックするなら今のうちだぞ。
Say what?
She doesn't have pants on yet.
Where?
Totally wasted all the way to the end.
Okay. Okay.
Down the end.
Yeah, I can tell where they're at. How y'all doing?
Good. Holy shit!
Yeah.
Where the f you come from? Oh my God!
Hey, listen, keep yourself covered up. Hey, listen, look at me. Wait, are you guys intoxicated? Is that what's going on here? It's not funny. Hey, listen, it's not funny. You got kids walking around
I know
here.
it's not funny. Hold
no,
on.
it's not.
Then sit up and cover
Hold
yourself.
on, hold on.
She's telling you right now.
Hold on.
So do
Cover yourself.
I know, I understand. Hold on.
No, you don't, because you're not doing it. Cover yourself.
Dude.
I'll cover this. I told you before. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this.
How did she get? How did she get with her pants taken off? Is it a one piece?
We were drinking, so I obviously understand it, and I'm sorry about it.
Okay, well it's not. You see what's across the pool, right?
Yes. I
Okay.
understand it.
Is she able to stand? What's going on? How much did she drink? I can smell it coming from y'all from right
No,
here.
we had some drinks, but
That's a little more than some
what
drinks.
was in these two things? That's it. That's all we had. So, come on, Robin.
Man, you're exposing yourself again.
You got names. Do they live here? You got names.
Oh my God, Joseph. What the f is going on here?
Sir, start with you. What's your name? What's your name? Buddy, what is your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Uh,
Say what?
Joseph.
What's your birthday?
Why do I have to give you all this shit?
Okay, you can give me your birthday, you can go to jail. Right now.
What?
Whatever.
Go to jail.
What am I going to go to
Whatever.
jail?
You guys are right now. They're saying
I didn't do anything. Why am I going to jail?
for lascivious acts when there's children around.
I didn't do anything.
Oh,
Okay, well,
yeah.
let me figure that out. But if you don't give me
why are you
information,
telling me that
if you don't
shit?
give me your information, you're gonna go to jail. Do you understand that?
Do you guys live in the community?
Yes.
I do.
All right, you have a driver's license on you?
Does it matter?
Yeah,
No.
because you're probably going to be
Doesn't-
trespassed.
No.
Yeah, because you have no pants on.
It doesn't matter.
I live here. I live in the community.
Okay, does she live in
You
here?
got a driver's license, man.
What?
Driver's license.
I don't have it on me.
Okay.
No, I don't.
Then can you just
F you and all this bullshit that you're giving me.
stand up?
What?
Stand up.
What?
Stand up.
For what?
No.
If you're gonna give me attitude, you're going to jail.
No.
I'm not going to jail. I didn't do
Wait,
anything.
Wait.
I didn't do
He's
anything.
not giving you attitude of anything.
I'm not
Keep in
giving you
mind, he's not the one with no pants on.
Arrest anybody if
She's
didn't
our
do
problem.
anything.
But
What?
Does he have to identify himself when she's the
I
problem?
didn't do
We're
anything.
just trying to identify her.
they were saying her pants were up because he was trying to
I'm the
have
problem.
intercourse with her while children are around.
Oh, yeah.
Then he's not trying to
Whatever,
identify.
you guys-
identify himself.
Did you have anybody?
Listen
Did
to
you
you
confirm
guys.
victims
Listen
yet?
to me.
I have not.
Let's do that first.
Okay. So from what we heard on the call, he was trying to have intercourse with her while he was up there.
I couldn't believe my eyes.
Okay.
He was helping her take her bottoms off. And at first I thought it must be shorts, but it wasn't. And then he opened her legs and put his entire face in there. And then my father-in-law came over here and started yelling at them to leave and get out of here. And she obviously couldn't get up. Not long after, they were making out
doing it
again.
again.
Yeah, groping on her, yeah.
I mean, everybody here saw,
Yeah.
for sure.
For sure.
Robin, please put your clothes on.
I want to
Robin,
You got sex acts in front of a juvenile?
Yes.
Robin, please put your clothes on. Robin.
shut the f up.
So, the guy over here doesn't want to identify himself. Okay.
Lady over here, we showed up completely exposing her bottom half.
Okay.
And I've got mom, who's got 4 kids over here, where they were committing a sex act in front of all of them.
Jesus, Joseph, shut the f up. right now.
Well, I see this your last day? Final weekend?
Yeah, it's final day, man.
Okay, so what you think you got?
I think I got lewd and lascivious right now, and I got fair to identify him if I wanted to push it.
Did anybody actually see him doing any sexual act on her?
They're saying they saw him giving her.
Eating her out.
Yeah.
Was it under? It was under the towel.
No, there was no towel until they yelled at him,
Yeah.
and then they went and got the towel and threw it on her.
And you got more than one witness on that?
I've got that witness, and I'm sure I've got multiple other ones. So, but that witness in particular has the 4 children that were here that observed it.
Yeah.
And it's juveniles. Juveniles is usually the big key.
Yeah, and if they don't want to identify themselves, that's another charge for both of them.
Yep.
All right, sir, stand up for me. You guys, yep, yeah, you guys are going to be going to jail tonight.
This one?
Yeah, both of you guys.
Okay, come on.
And if you don't identify yourself, I hear you're not identifying yourself, that's going to be another charge, okay?
That's all right. That's okay.
All right.
Drop these. Drop it.
Really?
What am I being arrested for?
Lewd and lascivious conduct in front of
Me?
minors.
I didn't do anything.
Okay, well, that's fine.
So what am I being arrested for?
Lewd and lascivious conduct in front of minors. Yeah, man, we can't be doing that in front of kids, man.
Well, you know what? I yelled at her.
What do you say, sir?
I yelled at her because I didn't do anything.
Giving your significant other oral sex in front of children is illegal.
Oral sex? I
Yeah.
didn't do that. I didn't do that.
We got
I didn't do that. What do you think?
We got multiple witnesses saying you did,
Stick your feet in the shoes, man.
Okay,
and we got video.
thank you. I can't believe you guys are doing this to me.
How's that feel? Bow, chicken bow, bow.
All right. Sit down in the car, okay? Watch your head.
I always carry a gun, but I'm not carrying it now.
That's fine, as long as you don't have it right now. Ma'am,
What?
use the towel to cover yourself.
No.
Okay. Hey, can you stand up?
No.
I want to ask you, are you able to stand up?
Yep.
Okay, can you stand up? I want to put this towel around you when you do, okay? Because we don't want to see all that. All right?
Okay. Hold on. No. That was.
Come on, stand up.
Ready?
Ah, you guys. I love you guys.
Oh, watch your head. Watch your head.
That's right, come on.
Watch it. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Let me get this towel wrapped around you, okay?
Okay. This is fun.
I know.
Okay.
All right. We're going to.
Everybody's gonna look at us.
Well, they were already looking at you.
Yeah, it's okay.
Are these the bottoms right here?
Probably. Oh, I'll get them. I got gloves. I'll get them.
You got gloves. Well, I was going to see if we can have her step into them. You can try. If that's
There's
possible.
my
Come here.
panties.
Can you try to step in your clothes?
Yes,
step
I
into
can.
it, okay?
Holy shit.
He's got a real nice, clean car, and we want to keep it that way.
Yeah, well,
That's a tie.
it's funny.
That might
It's
be
funny. It's funny. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Well, we just don't want you to fall. Okay?
I know. I'm not.
I don't
I'm
think
not
you're
gonna
going to go
fall.
anywhere. We just don't want you
Yeah.
to go to the ground.
It's
We're here for your safety.
I like you.
Yeah. Come on. Is that a skirt type? All right. Don't hurt yourself.
I'm not.
All right. Look at that. It's a lot better, isn't it?
Yeah, whatever.
There you go.
Let's walk you to the car, okay?
Nope.
You haven't arrested or anything?
Nope.
All right, we're gonna walk with you.
Come on.
Yeah.
We're hiring if anybody wants to be a deputy sheriff.
Love you.
Oh, thank you.
Come on.
Let's keep walking. No, I'm not going to do that.
Nope. Why am I?
Come here. Miss Robin, come here.
Yes.
I'm going to do something.
No.
Listen, it's okay. It's okay.
You scumbags are going to get what's coming.
No.
There you go. All right?
You guys are
No.
going to get what's coming.
Just hang out for me, all right?
You fucking cocksuckers.
No.
Get what's coming to you.
I don't want it to close on your wrist, Miss
You're going to
Robin.
get what's coming to you.
Hey, listen.
You.
Quiet down.
You're going to get what's
Hey,
coming to you.
don't you try to bite me because you get a bag.
I'm not biting you.
You
Look that
scumbags.
way. You try to bite me, I'm going to put a bag on your head.
That's all right. You don't have to. You know what? You guys are going to get what's coming to you. You the one Trump is going to get what's going to you.
真っ昼間のプールで下半身丸出しにして発情してただけのド変態の逮捕になんで大統領がしゃしゃり出てくんだよ。トランプはこんなグロいシーンなんざ絶対に見ねえよ。
I believe it's called lewd lascivious conduct in front of minors or something.
I actually just looked at that literally the other day.
Did you?
Yeah, we were talking about the way over.
Is that a felony?
Pretty sure it's a phone.
And so you have how many kids saw it?
4. So 4 counts.
4 counts.
Hey, just so you know, they support law enforcement.
They what?
They support law enforcement. They got a sticker on their car.
Let them go then. You know what? I'm gonna sue all of you fucking scumbags.
Was she in that chair, the same chair she was
She
in?
couldn't get up.
Couldn't get out of it.
I have video of her not being able to
The
even
chair
sit
was
up.
flipping over. He was trying to get her
Yeah,
out.
the chair almost fell over.
Yeah.
So we want the chair thrown in the pool.
Yeah, we need
Burned it.
Yeah.
Oh, burn it.
some detox on that one, all right?
Are y'all married?
No, not yet. We're fixing on it.
You know what? Thank God
Shut
the Trump administration is going to intervene what you fucking guys are fucking doing right now is fucking totally illegal shit. And the Trump administration is going to find out.
Don't hit the glass.
Ma'am, come here.
Oh no!
Come here.
Oh no!
Ma'am, come here.
Oh no!
You
I do
fucking
not
scumbags.
think so.
on her. You're going to be
You scumbags.
Excuse me?
cuffs back
You gotta
on
put
her
the
wrist,
cuffs
so
on
you
her.
don't- you
No.
get extra charges.
You're gonna get extra charges, man.
For what?
For not putting for
Yeah, for what? What did we
for
do?
resisting.
What did we do?
Let's put it this way.
What?
Listen, give me your
What did we
hand.
do?
Shut your mouth.
You.
Give me your
What did
hand.
we
No,
do?
no, no,
Give me
no.
your
What
hand.
did we
They go
do?
behind your back.
They're going behind her back.
What did we do to you?
Oh, no,
It's not
you
worth it.
need to
It's not
stop that. You need to
make sure
stop
they laugh.
that right there, right now.
What did we do to you guys?
You
Nothing.
need to stop that.
Nothing.
Right
We didn't do
What the
anything to
there. No. Oh, no.
you guys.
Oh, my
what?
God. No.
You guys.
Oh,
You know
my
what?
God.
Hey,
No.
I'll take you guys and I'll fucking kill you all, you fucking cocksuckers. You.
Ow.
You fucking pieces
Oh,
of
my
shit.
God. Don't. Oh.
Wait.
Oh.
Wait. I'll get them
Oh.
fucking pieces of shit.
No.
You pieces of shit.
No.
Ma'am,
I
get your
wanna
foot.
kill you all. You fucking scumbag. I love sheriffs.
No.
I paid.
You mother.
Hey,
Get your leg back in.
Oh, no. You mother.
I pay for the fucking sheriff's fucking
we're trying not to hurt you, but we're allowed to use any
for
force.
child.
You're back in the car,
You
so get back in the car.
scumbags. I pay for you guys. You fucking scumbags. You fucking sheriff scumbag. Yeah, I give to them. I fucking donate to you guys. You fucking pieces of shit.
Hold on.
You guys got balls. I'll tell you what. When I get out of
I
here,
am so
I'm gonna
mad
kill you
right
both.
now.
I'll kill you both. You
Shut up. Shut up.
fucking scumbags. Fuck.
Yep.
Keep running
You
your mouth.
scumbags.
Come on. Pick yourself up.
Listen.
Pick yourself up.
I
Put
am-
your
Yeah,
back
well,
in.
don't do
There
that
you
to
go.
my
Perfect.
woman. You fucking pieces
Get back
of
in.
shit.
Come on. Scoot back in. One more time.
Fucking pieces of shit.
There you go.
I'm so not happy.
You pieces
Scoot back.
of shit. You do that to my girl? I'll
No, no, no.
You wait.
Sit
You
back in
wait.
the car.
You guys wait. You fucking cocksuckers. You guys wait.
Sit
And I
up.
love the sheriffs. I donate to
Sit
them.
up.
I donate to the sheriffs.
Stop. Oh my God.
Put your leg back in.
I know, but
Put
you
your leg
didn't
back in.
have to.
Put it in. Put your
I
leg
am.
in. I'm done talking to
I
you.
am, motherfucker. I am.
I donate. I
Damn
donate.
it.
You fucking shitbags. I'm fucking so pissed off right now. They can kiss my fucking ass. Hey.
今回一番の被害者は間違いなく現場の警官たちだな。自力で立てないほど泥酔したポンコツババアとトランプ頼りのザレ言わめき散らしジジイの相手なんてただのトラウマ級の罰ゲームだろ。マジで警察に特大の危険手当を弾んでやらねえと割に合わねえ。まあ一番のトラウマはあれだよな。最後のやつ。あれのせいで胃の中のものが出てきそうだったよ。自分たちの家の寝室でやる分には誰も文句つけねえからみんなは間違っても一般公開するんじゃねえぞ。